Hello, it's Will Best, your roadmap reporter here. What happens when something you can't live without suddenly breaks? Do you throw it away and get a new one? Or do you try and fix it? A friend has told me about a place called the Repair Café in Marlow, where they can fix almost anything for free. So I've come here to find out more. It's often cheaper and easier to buy new things instead of getting them fixed. And this creates a lot of unnecessary environmental waste. In the UK alone, around 8 million small appliances are thrown out every year. So we need to find a way to make the gadgets we can't live without last longer. Something I can't live without is my phone. I don't know what I'd do without it. But sadly, mine is broken. It's not very old, and I don't want to get a new one, so I've brought it with me to the Repair Café, and I'm going to meet Karen Cannard, who can hopefully help me. Karen, hi, Will.
Hi, Will.
Lovely to meet you. Yeah, this is great. Things being repaired already.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
So, why did Repair Café start?
Well, it started in Amsterdam, and it was to actually help people make their belongings last longer.
Right.
Because it's much better for the environment if we reuse, repair, and recycle belongings rather than throwing them away.
And what happens to things when you just throw them away?
If you throw them into your rubbish, they end up in landfill, or they will go to incineration. So either way, it is really bad for the environment.
Right, right. But the best thing to do is just to keep it and repair it.
Exactly.
Well, I have a phone which is broken, which I would love to keep and repair. Do you think you could help?
Yes, go and see Cesar.
Cesar, I have a broken phone screen. Can you help me?
Absolutely.
Okay, good. Is it easy to fix?
If you know what you're doing, yes.
Right, I don't know what I'm doing, so it's good that you're here. What kinds of things do people usually bring to the Repair Café?
All sorts. Broken phones, toasters, speakers, clocks, you name it.
Are you always able to fix what people bring?
I wish, not always. Sometimes we always try, but sometimes it's not repairable.
Right, well, hopefully this is repairable
Sure,
because I need it. Can you show me how to do it?
Sure can.
Excellent.
So first step is you remove the 2 screws at the back. Right?
Okay.
So we're just going to do that. Step 2, you have to pop the screen open.
Okay.
All right.
Remove the screen.
Remove the screen very carefully. So you can see the glue there popping. There you go. That's it. Pop open. There's a step 3, it's just replacing the screen.
Okay.
So to do that, you have to unplug it from here.
Okay.
Take it out, and then put the new one back in. Okay, right. Time to replace the screen. This is a moment of truth, so we're gonna close this off.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, let's turn it on.
Let's hope it works. And it does.
It works. Oh, yes. Look at that. A working phone. It's back. Cesar, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Karen, Cesar fixed my phone, and he's a great teacher.
That's fantastic. It really does make products like this last much longer.
Yeah.
Do you think you can actually fix this next time yourself?
Well, it looks very complicated, but I think I can give it a go.
Brilliant, excellent, well
No, it was
done.
great. Thank you so much, and thanks to all the volunteers. It's amazing what you guys do here.
Thanks, you're welcome.
Take care, Karen.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Bye.
Well, that was brilliant. I am definitely going to bring other things here to get fixed. But most importantly, my phone is now working. So I should get back to work too. This is Will Best, your roadmap reporter, signing off.